Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this episode I'm going to draw a Santa Claus using a circle as the base. I will start by drawing a circle. The size of the circle will dictate the size of the character that you are drawing. I'm going to draw a medium sized circle, not so big, not so small, well, roughly a circle. You can use a compass or any other circular object to make a perfect one. I am marking these lines to divide this into four parts like these. And I am going to draw a curved line from the top to bottom like this. Almost 1 inch bigger on the top and the bottom. This line will become the center front of your character. Basically, this is the body. This portion right here will become the legs, and somewhere here on the top will come his head. I will mark another curved line to define the center of the face. Similarly, this is going to be the center of the legs. Let me add some more lines here for the pants. And somewhere here will come his feet. I'm going to start adding more curved lines to make this circle into a sphere. Santa wears this big belt right on his stomach. I'll be using these lines to make this belt. I am also marking these two vertical lines opposite the center front line. These will become the opening of the blazer. Right now, this might seem a little confusing, but this all will slowly come together. Right now, we have this one big circle which will become the body. This area here is the chest and the stomach. This area here will become the legs, and here we have the face. And this line that we marked here will become the shirt. Wait, let me add some buttons here to show you what I mean. And now you can see this is the center of his body where we have these buttons. And these lines will become the belt. I'm going to define these lines further. I'm drawing a big buckle right at the center here and refine these lines further to make the blazer. Slowly I'll keep adding more details. Let's work on the legs. Again here it is important to note that I am making the pants in perspective, one leg smaller than the other. I am giving him these vintage Middle Ages era inspired boots. Again I am making the other boot bigger and in perspective. This looks cool, right? Let's work on the face. This is the center line of the face, and you can see here this side is bigger than the other. I'm going to follow this roughly as a guide to draw the face. Let's give him the famous Christmas cap first. Adding lines for the face, beard. Again trying to make this in perspective, adding facial features, a cute nose, mouth. In my head I'm thinking of Papa Smurf. Making one eye bigger than the other, we'll add eyebrows. And let's give him hands. Again, I'm making this hand intentionally small, just a simple wave. Now I can erase all this area here. Somewhere here will come the other hand. First, I'm drawing these guidelines to locate the right place for this hand. With this hand, he is holding the sack containing gifts. Only one thing left now, which is the gift sack. A very heavy looking sack. I'm adding these short and long lines to make it very heavy and 3D. Wait, the shape of the cap seems a little off. Yeah, this is way better, and I am almost done. Lastly, I will add a black outline. I'm using this Artline 0.05 pen for the same. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do hit like and share it with your friends. You can leave your ideas or suggestions for me in the comments below. In the next episode, I am going to show you how you can convert this or any other doodle of yours into a digital masterpiece like this. If that is something you may enjoy watching, then do subscribe to my channel. This is all for now. Until next week. Bye bye.